Yes, namaste. A good day to all of you. And this is the holder of the Himalayan jerrycan, metal jerrycan for a 5-liter jerrycan. Today I will show you how to install this on the bike. This is not very difficult. Once you see it, you will easily get it. I will show you step by step what to do. Here on the holder you see 4 holes, and the same 4 holders you see on the bike. So first you have to fit the holder to the holes exactly. Make sure they are very aligned. Okay, that wasn't so difficult. Then you install the protection, the theft protection device, and you can also leave this out if you are not afraid that your jerrycans will be stolen, or you can install them afterwards. Now it's important that you put it in the second hole, counting from the front, in the second hole. Now the first one and the last one will be used to fix the holder itself, and the second one will be used for this theft protection device. So with this device you can lock your jerrycan with a padlock. Okay, make sure you put this device on the second hole, not the first and not the fourth, but on the second hole. So the first and the fourth hole is used to fix the holder itself, and it should be very simple. Now if you encounter any resistance, that is because there is some paint left in the nut from the factory, so you may have to use a tool. It may not be as easy as I show you. Now after that you install the theft protection device. This thing is fixed to the second hole. It serves as theft protection for the jerrycan. You can use a padlock to lock your jerrycan to this so it can't get stolen. As I said, the screw goes in the second hole. Very simple, as you can see here. Now okay. Yeah, he's saying something, but I don't think it has any relevance. Now the two holders for left side and right side are different, and you can see it by this little nook that is at the bottom of the holder. On the left side it's on the left side of the holder, and on the right side of the bike it's on the right side of the holder. So very simple, you can't possibly mix it up, and it would not fit if you try it. So it's really simple to keep these two parts apart. Okay. Okay, now the holder is perfectly installed, including the theft protection device, and now we will fit the jerrycan. That is very simple. It fits exactly to the millimeter into the holder, and these rubber bands, which are actually original Royal Enfield spare parts, normally used for batteries of the bullet, so if they ever break or you lose one, you can easily replace them. And you just, put it over the jerrycan, as you can see here, Simple enough, and it'll hold the jerry can in place. Absolutely no secret there. Just as simple as you see it. Okay, now that's it, and if you want to secure the jerry can, you can do so with a small padlock. I'm using a number lock because I'm very bad at losing keys, and it's anyway only a symbolic thing because, you know, these locks are easily broken at that size. Okay, now we're getting to the right side of the bike, and as I said, on the right side the holder has this little nook on the bottom, also on the right side, so we fit it in exactly the same way we did on the left side. The screws for the holder go in the first and the fourth hole, just the same way as on the left side of the bike, and the protection device screw goes in the second hole. So it's exactly the same way we did it on the left side. Okay, and I think this was easy, I hope. And if there's any questions, just write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.